Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I transform my dry, crusty ass hair to moisturized by doing a hot oil treatment. So please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Let's go. Okay guys, a hot oil treatment is a treatment you apply to your hair and scalp by using like different oils mixed together that have actually been heated or warmed up. The oil I'm using in this video is an oil from a brand called Zizam Naturals because this oil is infused with a lot of herbs. This has henna, it has lemongrass, it has fenugreek, it has fennel, it has black seed, it has sunflower oil, and it has neem oil. If you want to know the importance of each of those herbs, please click the link at the top right corner where I talk about different Ayurvedic powders, Ayurvedic herbs, and all their benefits. Okay, so right now I'm going to be using an applicator bottle because this actually will help a lot with like easier application rather than just getting everywhere messy by pouring the oil in my hand and doing all that. So this just helps with easier application. Okay, so I actually ended up using half the bottle of the Zam Naturals oil because my hair is quite a lot. If your hair is longer than mine, you might actually end up using the full bottle, and if your hair is like shorter than mine, you might end up using like this bottle for like 3 to 5 wash days. Okay, so right now I'm just pouring this into my applicator bottle. I'm trying to just check like would that be enough for me, would that not be enough for me. Okay, so right now for my own method of heating, I did not do the water method because that's just really stressful. I put my oil into my steam cap, which had already been on for a while, so it was actually already hot. Just put it here for like, I think I left it for like 5 minutes and my oil was already warmed up. This method is more efficient for me. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you guys how I put in my hair. Before actually going into my hair to start applying the oil, I make sure to section my full head of hair first because this actually just helps with easy application. Before I go in with the oil, I section my full head of hair first. Okay, so what are the benefits of hot oil? What are the benefits of hot oil? Hot oil treatments is very good for your hair because it helps to strengthen your hair. It helps to lay your cuticles down. That means it helps to make your hair smoother. Okay, so my high porosity gang, my high porosity girls, what's up? Hot oil treatments are actually very good for you. Okay, it also helps to like make your hair shiny. It helps make your guide's oil will make everything you touch is shiny. Okay, it helps to promote growth because this oil actually seeps into your scalp and it helps to improve blood circulation. It also helps with scalp soreness, guys. I always talk about how I have scalp soreness, but when your oil has ingredients like neem, peppermint, or tea tree, your scalp soreness issues when done regularly would actually be alleviated. Okay, like neem especially helps with scalp soreness. Another importance of hot oil treatment is it helps with dandruff and dry scalp. Guys, if you're suffering from dry scalp, do like a hot oil treatment regularly. I have a client that I'm treating at the moment that has dandruff, and our method is hot oil treatment every wash day. Okay, so right now I'm applying the oil to my strands first before I apply it to my scalp because it's just easier for me. I'm just putting the oil on my hand and applying directly to my strands. For each section I've already like done. Okay, you can be heavy-handed with the oil if you don't mind your hair and your scalp having so much oil on it. Personally, I do not mind. I'm currently using the oil to detangle my hair. Personally, I do a hot oil treatment like every like 2 weeks. Sometimes I do it only like 2 to 4 times a month. Actually, before I used to do it like every wash day. That's like every week in my hair. Okay, so how do you know if you like need a hot oil treatment? If you have dry hair, your hair is tangle prone, your hair is looking duller than normal, you can actually try doing a hot oil treatment. And fam, winter is coming, Harmattan is coming. Harmattan is already here, guys. Doing a hot oil treatment regularly, if you're going to like be wearing your hair out or like doing short-term protective styles this period, is very important. It's very vital. Make your hot oil treatment like a constant thing. This will help a lot with the whole moisturizing and sealing process of your hair. Your hair would feel better. Okay, so make sure that you're doing a hot oil treatment constantly this winter period because fam, it's really important. Okay, so when should you do a hot oil treatment? Should you do it before shampooing, after shampooing? When should you really do it? Personally, I do it before shampooing, guys, because I don't like my hair feeling oily. I don't know about you, but I really don't like walking around with very oily hair. But if your hair is extremely dry, like you have extreme dry hair, please do it after shampoo. You can mix the oil even with your deep conditioner and warm your deep conditioner up. You can do it after deep conditioning, even if you don't mind your hair feeling very oily at the end. You can do that like a final treatment after deep conditioning. Okay, But one thing is very, very important, that you do this regularly to see the effect. It's not something that you just do once and you get over it. You have to do it constantly to see the effect. It's a long-term treatment. It's not what you just do once on one wash day and think you are good to go. That's not how it works. You have to do this constantly to reap the full benefits. Okay. So personally, which oil do you, if you cannot get your hands on like this is a natural oil, what oils can you use to do a hot oil treatment? You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, you can even use palm kernel oil. Some people go in with castor oil, some people use sunflower oil. And what herbs can you infuse in your oils? You can use neem, lemongrass, amla, brahmi, bringraj, ashwagandha, just any of the Ayurvedic herbs, to be very honest. Tea tree, another oil you can use for scalp stimulation is tea tree oil or peppermint oil. Those are like my faves. Now I'm applying the oil to my scalp because it's not just a hair treatment, it's a hair and scalp treatment. Okay, you apply it to your scalp and you massage it in. Okay, my favorite oil to actually use for a hot oil treatment when I'm doing a DIY is my olive oil. It's my fave oil. I will infuse my olive oil with fennel seeds, henna, fenugreek, and just like a bunch of Ayurvedic herbs. Okay, then I would add like a few drops of tea tree oil because tea tree oil is antiseptic. Okay, so guys, right now I'm applying the oil to my scalp, trying to get everywhere. Try to get the oil everywhere on your scalp because this is extremely vital. My hair is actually already looking very shiny. Personally, I'm applying my own before I shampoo, so yeah. Okay guys, right, I'm just trying to massage the oil into my scalp. I'm trying to massage this oil, get it everywhere, That's just the goal. Don't just put it on your hair and forget about your scalp. Your scalp is really important. Okay, so I'm not trying to massage myself because I told you guys I have very sore sides and it comes and it goes. So I'm just trying to like massage the oil on my into my sides of my hair. So I'm putting my hair in a bun because I'm going to go straight ahead to stay under a steam cap. And I'll just wear my nylon and then wear my steam cap. Before you do a hot oil treatment, I would say that you should already plug your steam cap down so that like the cap is already hot enough. Okay, so I was under my steam cap for about 30 minutes to be precise. I was on for like I think exactly 30 minutes, guys. Yeah, this is my hair after everything, guys. After 30 minutes after, I went ahead to shampoo my hair off camera. So yeah, you can check out any of my wash day videos to see how I wash my hair. Okay, so that's the amount of hair I lost, just a little amount of hair. This is my hair. My hair looks really shiny and my hair looked good and it felt really good. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've ever done a hot oil treatment before, tell me your experience in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me across all social media platforms at Natural Ukachi. Subscribe. Follow me. Join the K gang, join the K squad. Okay, and I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember that God is watching you, so give God a beautiful show. Bye.
And I go like to cheat that thing with that my very stick. Back in the days, we know they too stressed. But now everybody want like 2 eggs. I know if we buy you one Indomie 2 eggs, and then you follow me back. Give up what's next.